Alright guys, second ride of the day here on Storm Chaser. First thing in the morning, so just running a little slow, but looking forward to getting some afternoon and evening rides later on. But you can already tell, this is a little powerhouse. And that barrel roll down drop is nothing to mess with. Not to mention that first corner. Looking forward to this. Alright, well it's definitely a front row ride in the morning. Man alive, that hang time on the barrel road down drop was insane, let alone the ejector air time though on every hill after it is crazy. Holy crap, that was awesome. Wow. These rides